everybody. All right. Welcome to my show, guys. Welcome. Thank you very much for watching my videos. All right, thank you. Today, guys, I'm gonna have delicious food. All right, delicious. I'm gonna make today, guess what? Meatballs stuffing with potatoes. All right, guys, gonna bring the flavor together. All right. So look how beautiful my table looks. Very colorful, and it's gonna taste good. All right, but don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, I have here 2 eggs. I have 8 cloves of garlic. I have 2 small onions. I have 1 teaspoon of parsley. I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. I have 2.5 pounds of sharp meat. All right, guys. Also, I have, this is for the meat. All right. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of plain breadcrumbs. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme. Also, I have 5 tablespoons of olive oil, but olive oil is going to be for my hands when I'm going to make the balls, all right, the big balls. Now, for the potato. For the potato, I have 8 ounces of spice cheddar jack cheese. Also, I have 8 potatoes. All right, guys, the potatoes is gonna taste good. Also, I have 2 tablespoons of chives. I have half cup of parsley. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of oregano. I have a half teaspoon of salt. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use, all right? Also, I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, garlic, to bring the flavor together, all right? All right, guys, let's start this decoration. Also, I have some long, sweet peppers, all right, that have red. I have 10 of them, but just have to put this in the top of the dish when it goes to the oven. All right, I have different colors here. I have 3 different colors, red, and I have orange and yellow. All right, so let's start this preparation. I'm gonna start this preparation with my potatoes. My potatoes is already cooked. I cooked already, so I don't want my video to get too long. All right, so I have 8 of them. So let's start to do this. Very good. All right, I'm gonna start smash the potatoes. All right, very good. Very good. Let's go for the next step. All right, I'm gonna put right here. All right, my next step is gonna be my cheese. All right, my jack cheese. Very good. To that, I'm gonna put my parsley, fresh parsley. Very good. All right. I always tell you guys, if you need good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe. All right. So here we go. Chives, chives. All right. So now oregano. All right. Very good. My salt, my black pepper, garlic powder. Very good. So now I'm going to just do this, okay? All right, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, now I have my butter. I have 1 stick of butter. All right, so I already put microwave, it's already melted. All right. Yep, it's melted. All right, so now it's time for my butter. All right, very good. Now you mix very well. All right, guys, it's almost ready. Yep, it's ready. It's well mixed, so it mixed very well. So now let's start to do this. All right, so what you do is you roll like this. All right, right here. Very good. Woo! Very good. Welcome back. All right, it's almost finished here. All right. Looking good. Very good. Looking good. So you're gonna have to make that big, not that small, medium, right? All right. I see you guys very shortly. Hey, you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Right now, my potatoes is ready. All right, now we're gonna go forward with my meat. All right, so I'm gonna get my meat here. This is, I have to do this by hand. It's much better to do this by hand, all right? You have to squeeze the meat. All right. Very good. All right, so first I'm gonna put my eggs. Very good. All right. All right. Get there. Come on. Very good. Bit of mess. All right. So after that, I'm gonna use my cilantro. Good. This is my parsley. You guys can see the color and the flavor comes together, guys. All right. All right, now my paprika. Very good. My salt. Very good. This is my breadcrumbs. Very good. This is my oregano. All right. You guys can see the color and the flavor comes together, guys. All right. This is my thyme. Very good. So now, this is my garlic. Garlic, you're gonna do like this, okay? Very good. Welcome back. All right, time for my onions. Onions, you're gonna do that the same. All right. Good. All right, guys. Very good. All right, so that's enough. I don't want to cut my hands. All right. So now, what you're gonna do? You're gonna squeeze. Okay. You can put your 2 hands. My hands. I washed my hands already. All right. All right. Welcome back. So now my meat is ready. All right, so let's start to make this preparation. All right, you take some good amount of the meat. All right, you roll like a ball, and you squeeze like you're gonna make a burger. All right, very good. So now you take the potato there and cover up. Very good. Make sure if you close 100%, right? Right? Make the ball again. Right? And you start to do like you are making a cheeseburger. All right? Very good. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. All right, guys, let's go. All right, it's almost finished. So, like a ball, right? Woo! Very good. So now you squeeze. Very good. You make a little bit like this. Make it a little bit bigger, okay? Very good. We got this baby over here. Right? Let's start with this. Let's finish with this. All right. Make sure if you cover everything, all right? Very good. All right. It's looking good. Very good. This is the last one. All right. Very good. Make sure if I close very well. All right. Very good. All right. See you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, so now my babies is ready. You guys can take a look. Very good. All right, so now I have my sauce here. I'm gonna make a sauce to go in the top of this. Okay, I have here 2 glasses of water. I have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I have 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, so what you're gonna do is get the tomato paste. Very good. My water. Good. Let's mix it up very well. All right. Very good. Let's make sure it's mixed very well, okay? And also my salt. Very good. So if you mix very well, all right? Sorry. Very good. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put the meat out of there so it doesn't get dry, all right? Good. All right. Very good. Now, you guys gonna see here, I have my peppers. All right. This is sweet peppers. Okay. So you put them here. 2, 3, and 5. Very good. So now my oven is preheat for 400 degrees. All right? You guys want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. Let's put these babies right to cook. Good. I see you very shortly. All right, guys, time to check. All right? All right, it's looking good. It's looking very good, guys. All right, very good. So I'm gonna let this cook for 20 minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right. Woo! All right, guys. Hey guys, show you the final product. All right, look how beautiful it looks. Wow, and it smells all over my kitchen. All right, very good. Looks very good and it smells very good. All right, so now I'm gonna let you know how this tastes. All right, are you ready? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, first I make some salad. You guys can see the salad here, right? My salad. All right, looks very good. So I'm gonna get some salad. All right, that's very good. A little bit more salad. I love salad. All right, so get my 2. Some of this. See? Right? The pepper too. I love pepper. Very good. Right, guys. I'm gonna have some olive oil in my salad. Also keep it all over the place. Some balsamic vinegar. You can sprinkle there all over. You can do that in your plate. All right, to look good. Some salt for my salad. Very good. And some black pepper, fresh black pepper. Very good. Let you know, guys, how this tastes. All right. That looks very good. Wow. Look, guys. Look how beautiful. And that's not dry. All right. It's very good, guys. Very, very good. Eat a little bit of salad. Take another bite. This is delicious. It's very good, guys. It's melting all over my mouth. All right, the flavor comes right away. Hey guys, listen, you have to try this recipe. All right, it's easy, and anybody can do it. You just have to take your time. All right. I'm sure you have to try this recipe. All right. I'm sure you're gonna be happy today and forever. All right. So you guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.